So you're not going to believe what I'm going to show to you right now, all right? But this is for educational purposes only. Please do not use it to deceive people. All right. Do you know that with just the address of anybody, you can know the total number of tokens that they ever have on their wallet? You can convert their address, just anybody's address or any address anywhere, into a watch only, and then you see all the coins that they have on that address. All right. Does this sound crazy? Now, this makes me to think about this blockchain technology. Like, there's actually, apart from the security that you have, the password, the key phrase that you have to your wallet, there's actually no privacy. Have you thought about that? There's no privacy. All right. So with this now, you can actually go into the blockchain, go and see the list of transactions, maybe see the list of transaction, copy any address, import it as a watch on it, and then you see every single token that is on that wallet. Are you shocked? Yeah, now let's see it. Let's look at it right now. All right, let's check it out right now. All right, you should be sure that you subscribe to my channel right now so that you cannot miss an educational update like this, so that when somebody is trying to deceive you, okay, look at how much I have, and then you can be able to actually detect if the person is actually saying the truth or not. All right, so now let's just go to, where do we go from here? Let's go to, you can go to 𝐵𝑠can, copy any address that is actually transacting, and then be able to see whatever exists on that address, or mainly somebody just sending you their address. Okay, semicolon. All right, you can actually see whatever that is on that address. All right, let me look for something. Let's look for an address under, let's say, someone who is transacting Shiba Inu. Then go to 𝐵𝑠can, or you can see that Shiba. Okay, let's use Shiba. Let's use Ethereum Explorer. Okay, I don't like this, and I prefer 𝐻Scan. All right, it makes it look cool, like cool. All right, scroll up. Now, when you scroll up on 𝐻Scan, you see list and list upon list of different transaction transfer. You see some that are actually pending. You see some that have actually gone. There are a lot of transactions. You see the wallet they are sending from and the wallet they are sending to. All right, and there are a whole lot of transactions like that. All right, let's just look at the first one here. You can actually grab the address or just click on the hash ID. All right, or just click on the hash ID. Okay, let me just transfer from or to. All right, let's click on the wallet that it's being sent to. All right, from this Ether Explorer, you can actually see how much exists on that wallet. You can see here what exists on this wallet is about $886,000. That's about 40 billion Shiba Inu. All right, copy the address. Let's copy the address. Now go to Trust Wallet. All right, click on Trust Wallet, and some section will be blurred because of security, Trust Wallet security. Then click on I already have an address, and then click on Ethereum because that's on Ethereum address. Now you may not be seeing this particular section, but what you have to click on here, click on address and then paste that address in, and then you can actually leave it a name. All right, let me just name it test. All right, most time you can just leave it like that, and then click import, and boom, every single coin on that wallet is seen. All right, remember you just, the first thing that was just seen was about 897,000 worth of Shiba Inu, but now you can see that there are a whole lot of different coins. There's a 𝐴𝐸𝐾 coin that is about 4 million, and then there's sushi that is about $3 million, and there's about Anchor that is about $2 million, and Bancor that is about $2 million, and Shiba being about $897,000. Man, this person, the owner of this wallet, is freaking rich. All right, so with this now, but mind you, this is just a send. This wallet, you can decide to send coin to this wallet, but All right, this is just a watch on a wallet. You can't do anything. All right, it's a watch on a wallet, so you can just be seeing funds. So the difference between you and this person is that this person is watching and transacting and have access to this wallet, but you are just looking at it. All right, now the reason why I have to do this is because some people, they'll just bring up a wallet like this and they'll be like, okay, look at how much I got, and then they might try to deceive you and stuff like that. But fuck shit. Next time when somebody does that to you, just say, okay, attempt sending. Let them click on the wallet like this and then click on send. If it shows you watch on it, you tell them, okay, all right, show me the address that show the real address. Let's show the real address with the recovery phrase that you can actually send from. All right, and if you don't see that, just know that the person is trying to play pranks on you. All right, so I believe now you understand this video and you can do this. Is for me, it's a kind of a fun, like it encourages you, like when you think that, okay, you've invested so much in cryptocurrency, that you get to see that a lot of person have so much than you can ever imagine that they've invested into this cryptocurrency kind of thing. All right, so you just have to be humble, calm down. This is a wallet containing about 16 million. All right, $16 million, $16.6 million. All right, let's try to import this on because you might be thinking this is the only wallet that this person has. Let's try to import that same address. You can import the same address on Smart Chain and see. All right, okay, we just attempted I just attempted importing it on Smart Chain. All right, this person does not really have much coin on Smart Chain. It just have about 514,000 worth of Shiba Inu that is not even reflecting. So where the mint is on Ethereum wallet. All right, so subscribe to my channel to understand, to always get updates like this. Please like my video, comment if this was fun, and let's see in the next video. You can do this to any other addresses. All right, so if somebody is actually begging you for money and they'll be like, okay, please can I help me for money with some money, and then they are trying to mint the little thing that you have with you, you can actually say, okay, copy the address, check, and then you see how much coin that they have. You say, bro, but you have money more than myself and you're still begging me for money. All right, so I don't know, anything is possible. I believe you all know what you can do with this, like to be able to leverage, to make yourself to encourage yourself. All right, see you in my next video.